Hi YouTube, it's Nikki27 again. Coming to do a quick update. It's day 20 since I've had my Janet Collection Prestige Alco Remy hair in. And I have a love-hate relationship with this hair. I started noticing shedding. It seemed like it started shedding a lot more when I was using my Remington wand on it. And we recently went to Atlanta last week, and I tell you, like, on the way there and on the way back, in my seat, like on the back, was just like all hair, like I was a puppy or something. And it was just shedding like really, really bad. I was like so upset because at first, the hair wasn't really holding a curl like I wanted it to with the curling wand. So what I did was I co-washed the hair. After that, I fell back in love with it. It was just like awesome. It did everything I wanted it to do. But then I started using my wand like every day, and it seems like when I was doing that, the hair was like shedding like so much more whenever I did that. So within this last week, let's say Monday, today's Saturday, I started laying back on the wand and just using my my flexi rods. And I must say, within this week, this hair has shedded like 85% less. It's like there's like 0 to none. Like there may be some when I brush it, but I'm not brushing in it a whole lot since I did lose quite a bit of hair from it shedding from me using a wand. So I kind of love that fact about it, that okay, it holds my curls with the flexi rod and it looks, pretty good with it. But I do see my growth that I had with that, so guess I'll have to use this until I do get my next install. And also, the hair was like looking really dry and I didn't know what products to use. So thanks to Kiki from Miss Diva, like, hey girl, love you. She used this one and only argan oil. So I went to Sally's Beauty Supply and I got some. Excuse my nails, they're looking pretty bad now. But anyway, this stuff is like really, really awesome. I like used it on my daughter's hair. I've been using it on this hair, and you only need a really, really, really small amount, and it does wonders. So I would suggest anyone out there who has any hair for that matter to try using that. And like I said, you don't need a lot of it, and it should last a really long time because I only need, not even a nickel size amount. So, will I get this hair again? I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm only 20 days in. And like I said, it's a love-hate relationship. So I know you guys wanted an update on it. Today I did last night, of course, I flexi rodded it. And I didn't even like comb the curls out and pick the curls out or anything. I just left it alone. Because I think that that's what makes the hair worse and not shed and get as tangled when you're just not running your fingers through it and, brushing it. So that seems to be helping out. So, if you guys have any questions about the hair, someone asked me, do I think that sealing my wefts helped? And that was kind of a hard question to answer because I would hope that it helped. But then again, it would seem like it really didn't from all the shedding that it did. So, I guess I will kind of have that answer at the end of the install once I finish testing it out with the rods and see, if more shedding comes along, and then after I co-wash it again, because I should be doing that pretty soon. But other than that, it's been fine. I get a lot of compliments on it. I actually went to the beauty supply store and bought some really cheap honey blonde hair. Well, it's not really honey blonde, but it's a goldish color. And I put one track over here and one track over here, and that was just to kind of like give it that boost because I've been wanting some color, but I'm kind of afraid of color. So with that being said, this is the hair again. I'll turn around to the back so you guys can see it. And like I said, it's a love-hate relationship. So any questions or comments, please leave it below. And also, I thanks for all my new subscribers that I received. I know I don't have many, but hey, you gotta crawl before you walk. So, sorry guys. But anyway, you guys have a blessed day. I sure will on this Saturday. And talk to you soon. Bye-bye.